keyword validation. Now, in this part, till now we have learned a lot of different tools for searching the keywords, for finding good ideas, comparing the keywords together, getting more information about each keyword, page authority, domain authority, search volume, competition, etc., etc. Now, what we have to do is to go back to some of these tools, put our list there, and start to pay attention, compare them, select the best ones. All right. So here on keyword validation, we are going to use Keyword Planner, Keywords Everywhere, which is the Chrome extension. We are going to use Mousbar, and also finally we are going to use Google Trend. So what you should do here, go back to Google Keyword Planner, and here instead of find new keywords, click on Get, Search, Volume and Forecast. Go to your list. Here we had some keywords. Go to your list, how many they are, 40, 50, 100, doesn't matter. Go there, bring them all here. You can also upload them as a file, okay? Just click on Get Started, and here Keyword Planner will bring all of your keywords, and it will not suggest you anything new. It will just compare the ones that you have imported. Now here we have at the left side, we have our keywords, then we have the search volume, then we have cost per click, competition, and okay, they're all in group 1. That doesn't matter. And for example, let's say if you want to spend on this one, campaign marketing, if you want to spend $3, how much it will cost you to get, for example, 1,000 impression, and how many clicks you will receive. For example, if you spend $3, the cost per click is almost $7.5, but if you spend $3, you will get 18 clicks with that, right? And also 1,000 impressions. You can also pay attention to the numbers here. Let's say this is for the part that if you want to do ads on Google, this is really helpful, and also it will give you a good idea to select the best keyword that you have here. Okay, let's change this number to, for example, let's say if we want to spend $1 per click, how much we will receive on content marketing, right? On content marketing, if we spend $1 on each click for only 1 month, you can see at the top we have the period there. For 1 month, we will receive almost 2,800 clicks with 175,000 impressions, and also we have to spend something around $1,000, right? So you get a pretty much good idea what you can do here and how you can work with this stuff. Select the best one, pay attention to the volume. For example, this one, search engine optimization, has huge number of volume and a low competition. For example, this can be a good idea. So in general, compare them together, select the ones that have a huge volume with a low competition, right? For example, lower than 0.3 is really good. And then here I have mentioned it, lower than 0.3. And then go to Google itself, select, for example, let's say your top keywords are, for example, 10 keywords, 15 or 20, depend on your research. Go to Google, write each of the keywords, make a research, and see, use Mousbar and see on which of these keywords you will have a chance to rank number 1, right? Pay attention to the page authority and the domain authority, and just try to select the keywords that have a lower page authority and domain authority, lower than 40. All right, select the ones you may remove, for example, 5, 10 or 20 of your keywords here, and the rest of the keywords, then go to Google Trend here and just write them down and see the graphs, see the numbers, and compare them together, right? And finally, after using all of these tools, you have to stay with only one keyword, the best keyword possible for your situation. All right, So that is all you have to do for keyword validation. And on the next part, we are going to have an assignment. And after that, we are going to get to the second section, which is building our web page following SEO instructions. Let's go for the next one.